welcome to Mr. Franklin Explains Some Math. We've got a trig word problem today. We're going to figure out what information is given to us in this problem, and we're going to draw a picture of this problem, and then we're going to use the SOHCAHTOA functions like sine, cosine, or tangent to figure out how to solve this problem. So I know that a ladder leaning against the wall makes an angle of 74 degrees with the ground. If the foot of the ladder is 6.5 feet from the wall, how high on the wall is the ladder? I can't draw very well, so I made this picture on the computer. Hopefully it's easier to see. We were given the information that the ladder makes a 74 degree angle with the ground, so that's theta. Theta equals 74 degrees. We know that the foot of the ladder is positioned 6.5 feet from the base of the wall, so that's the adjacent side. That's the information that we're given. And the information that we're asked for is what is the height of the ladder up the wall. So you can see that that is the opposite side. Taking this picture back to my document here, we can look at this information and try to figure out what we can get out of this. So let's see, I know that using SOHCAHTOA, I've got the adjacent side and I'm looking for the opposite side, and I have the angle. So let's see, it looks like TOA, because in this problem I've got opposite and adjacent, so I'm going to use the tangent. So tangent of 74 equals opposite over adjacent, but I have the adjacent and I'm looking for the opposite. So I guess my first step should be to figure out what tangent of 74 is, using my handy dandy calculator, making sure that it is in degree mode first. I find that tangent of 74 is 3.4874. Remember, when you do these trig ratios, round them off to 4 decimal places. And that equals opposite divided by 6.5. And of course, to get rid of the division by 6.5, we're going to multiply both sides by 6.5. And then on the calculator, that gives me 22.67. Rounding off to the nearest hundredth of a foot. So 22.67, 22 and 2/3 feet, we might say that. We could convert that to feet and inches without much difficulty, but I'm just going to call this the answer right here. So, quick review. We were given some information. We drew a picture and put that information in the right places on the picture. Used that information to determine what do I have and what do I need, and then use SOHCAHTOA to figure out which of the 3 trig functions is best for this situation. In this case, because we had opposite and adjacent, we used tangent. Doing the steps to solve for the opposite side gave us 22.67 feet. And that is the end of the problem.